Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I'm in the main town of Santorini. This is Thera, the main town of this beautiful romantic island. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you technical analysis, trading. And I'm going to show you something I found that's important on the Nasdaq and the stock market. It's a very good sign for crypto and for stocks, actually, if this plays out. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people down there, smash up that thumbs up button, and turn on that bell notification there so you're notified of every video. And in the comment section, I want to learn more about you to help you I'm a multi-millionaire. I want you to become multi-millionaires. And I want to write a little bit of a story about who you are in the comment section. Like, what's your finances like? What's your life like? So then I can comment and try to help you. And I'll read and I'll answer some of the people in the next video as well, some of you, the community. And don't forget, join the Telegram. There's 8,400 of you trading together and learning together, talking together. It's a community of traders in cryptos and stocks. The link to the Telegram is down below. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. And first we're in Bitcoin. And at the moment, Bitcoin is still holding this descending triangle that I talked about the other day. When we came down from 30K, when I called this yellow line, and played out perfectly. Now the key is, do we get this bounce from here? That's the key. That's what we're watching. And the only thing that I'm worried about at the moment is we're not getting volume. We're not getting large volume coming in. You can see here that the volume spiked on the drop of Bitcoin. We had a volume spike. And then after the drop, there hasn't been any real volume on the buys, and that's a bit worrisome. This is what's making me think that this Bitcoin is going to come down to 25K. Now, and also another reason is because we have this big head and shoulders forming. Shoulder, head, and shoulder, which should be dropping us to 25K. That's why I do think we're going to 25K. However, in case Bitcoin does manage, which it is doing right now, and you can see here, it did it here, and we're about to have the FOMOC meeting, we have some announcements coming up. The core inflation rate, if the core inflation rate comes out lower than expected, it's today at 4:30 p.m. I think American time. If it comes out lower than expected, it'll be good news and the market will pump. It's also still in a bull flag, and it's still in this bigger 1, 2, 3 for Elliott wave pattern. You can see this Elliott wave pattern. We're still on the third wave, which should be the biggest, strongest impulse wave. So we got to clearly watch it. If you the trades are the same setup as yesterday. Short term, taking a trade at 26,913. Take profit at 35K and stop loss at 26,496. This is the trade that I set up yesterday. I showed on my video. It's risking $416 to make $8,000 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $80,000. But the safer trade and the bigger trade that I would take is this one. And this is the one where I set a much bigger trade. I set these already on Bybit, risking $416 to make $9,800 with no leverage. I did a 10x leverage. 10x leverage is $98,000 of profits. With 100x leverage, it's almost 1 million. But again, don't do more than, I wouldn't, if you're a very good trader, if you're a good trader, you can do 3x leverage. If you're a very, very good trader, you can do 9x leverage. But you got to understand, that means you've been trading for more than 1 year. You're already very profitable. Don't use leverage in the beginning till you learn how to trade. Don't risk more than 2% of your capital on any one trade. So that's on Bitcoin. Now I'm going to show you, let's quickly do Ethereum, and then I'm going to show you the stock market as well. Also, if you want to trade, under the video in the description, you can go down below. You can get $30,000 worth of bonuses when you sign up to Bybit using that link. $30,000 worth of bonuses. And Bybit did a partnership right now where you get $1,000 free trade. The link down below to Bybit, so you get $30,000 when you meet all the trading requirements, and $1,000 free trade using that Bybit link down below. And when you sign up to Bybit, you get trading account like this. In this account, I've got these trades set up that I talked about. Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Those trades already set different levels. So Bitcoin, this trade, 3 Bitcoin will open at 25,200. 0.6 Bitcoin will open at 26,900. And Ethereum at 1,700 will open a 12 Ethereum trade. In this account, I have $267,000 US in here. I've got USDT 169,000, MCRT 32,000, Uniswap 13,000, Ethereum. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set buy orders on Ethereum. On Uniswap. I'm going to set some normal buy orders on Uniswap and FXS. So let me check. So this is Uniswap 4.9, and you can see here, I've drawn out these blue lines are the levels, the strong supports of Uniswap. You can see these blue lines are the very strong supports of Uniswap. That's 7.7 is a strong resistance, and these blue lines, so 4.6, 4.9 where we are right now, and 4 is very strong supports. And you can see here that I've got buy orders set. 500 Uniswap at $4, 222 at $4.50. So you can see that I've already set buy orders in case Uniswap pulls back. Now let's quickly go into Ethereum and then the Nasdaq. So going into Ethereum, this is the Ethereum wave count weekly. It's not looking good on the weekly. On the daily, it broke this ascending triangle. Usually that breaks to the downside. A big support is at 1,693, and that's where I had that trade set up. 1705. I had that trade set up on Ethereum to try and get that fifth wave if it manages to hold. But I do think it will come down to 1693 on Ethereum. And now I'm going to show you the Nasdaq. So this is important that I showed you that I'm talking about on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is the American stock market focusing on the tech stocks. And what I'm seeing here is a rising triangle. You see this? A rising triangle. It builds pressure like this, and it usually breaks out 70% of the move to the upside to the distance of this triangle here, the base of the triangle. So if we get a movement out of here, it'll be something like a target of to 14,000 on the Nasdaq. And this is what I mean about this triangle. I'll show you the pattern. This one. You can see a rising triangle. It's the same. Everyone seeing this? The same kind of pattern. You see? Wait, let me adjust the charts. So this is very good news for tech stocks, and it looks like that breakout can be happening today. It could get rejected possibly, like we could get rejected and do this and then bounce to breakout, but it looks like it's trying to break out already. Which is interesting, and you can see that same pattern. Everyone's seeing that same pattern. So that's why I think Nasdaq and the tech stocks could pump, which is beautiful. Again, signing up to Bybit using that link. I also trade on Binance, but Binance I mainly use just for sending crypto to bank accounts. Use NordVPN so you can trade anywhere in the world. You can join 7,000 students in the crypto master course. The team is updating the website as well. It's going to become a school, which is beautiful. MCRT token, check it out, play to earn game. ChatGod has reached more than 100,000 users now. And you can see here, this was at 90,000 users. It's incredible. ChatGod is incredible. Check it out, chatgod.ai. You can use it for free. It's a merger of multiple APIs. So for example, you can send it voice messages, chatgod.ai, and then it works on your WhatsApp and Telegram. You can send it voice messages, and it'll automatically summarize the voice message, so you don't need to listen to long voice message. Or maybe you're in a meeting and you just forward the voice message you get from someone, forward it to ChatGod, and it'll summarize it for you. It does a lot of different incredible things. It also has the AI from ChatGPT. It's got DALL-E AI, Whisper API, a lot of amazing AIs merged into one. You can use it on ChatGod, on Telegram, and WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.